Hello and welcome to our video of TEXA. She is a 2003 X-442. First thing you will note is she has a very shiny blue hull, which was actually repainted in 2019. You'll also see she's got some very nice teak decks, and they were last replaced in 2015, so are in lovely condition. We will head up onto her foredeck first. And as if by the magic of film, the anchor locker will open, and there we have her Loughran's windlass. After this, we've got a great four-peak locker, which, as you can see, is great for all her sail storage. We'll then start to make our way back aft. There you can see her aluminium spinnaker pole. We'll have a quick look up her three-spreader aluminium Sparcraft mast. Her standing rigging was replaced in 2013, and she's had a rig check last in 2019. Sails-wise, she's got a great suit of sails. She's got racing sails and cruising sails. Her racing sails are by Sanders in 2015, and her cruising ones are one sails from 2014. Now into the cockpit. There you can see main sheet track runs across the cockpit. We will walk aft first. Very cool gin and tonic seats on starboard and port, and also a push pit mounted life raft, which is not due its next service until 2022. Quick glance down at the engine controls, which are down there to starboard. Look at the helm position. That's some of her new nav gear, which was installed in 2018. And then we will have a look in one of her two large lazarette lockers, which are nice and empty. Flick back round. There you can see she's got electric Harkin winches for her main sheet. Looking forward, you can see she's got a great setup there under the spray hood. It's all very neat and tidy and easy to use. Part of the new Raymarine kit, she's got 4 multifunction i70s that you can display anything you like on them. And glancing down below, as we head down, you get a nice view of the saloon and galley there. You can see she's got nice teak joinery below decks. We will start up at the bow, and there we've got an offset double to port with a sofa. Quick look round, and you'll see she's got plenty of stowage. She's got a wardrobe, and then those cubbyhole lockers. She's also got an ensuite up in this forward cabin. So pull-out shower from the tap, and a Jabsco manual head there. Swing back aft. Have a bit more of a detailed look around the saloon. The table does lower down and has infill cushions, so that can be made into a berth as well. To starboard here we've got the galley. Nice shaped galley, a good sea galley as well. That's her fridge there, which is top opening, and plenty of worktop as well. Then just aft of this, here we've got the chart table, where we've got a second Raymarine Axiom Pro plotter. She's got Erbisbacher diesel heating, which is also controlled from there. Quick look down at the sole. There's teak with holly inlaid. And then opposite to port, here we have the second heads, which is also a day head. This is a very similar layout with a pull-out shower, but this head has got a holding tank as well. And again, we've got the Jabsco manual head. Into the port aft cabin. So both aft cabins are identical. Got a good sized double with a wardrobe there. There's the companionway, and once again, as if by magic, it's open, and there we have her very shiny Yanmar 57 horsepower, which was only fitted in March 2019 and has 42 hours on it. And then we're into the starboard aft cabin, as you can see, identical to the port. That is TEXA, the lovely X-442, currently lying for sale in Lymington.